Essential for life. Phosphorus is an essential element for life. It is a key component of DNA, RNA, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and various other biomolecules crucial for the structure and function of living organisms. Symbol and atomic number. Phosphorus is represented by the chemical symbol P, and it has the atomic number 15. It belongs to group 15, formerly known as group 5, of the periodic table. Discovery. Phosphorus was discovered by the German alchemist Hennig Brand in 1669. He extracted it from urine, making it the first element to be discovered that was not known to ancient civilization. Most reactive element. Fluorine is the most reactive element in the periodic table. It readily forms compounds with almost all other elements, and even small amounts of fluorine can react violently. Allotropes. Phosphorus exists in several allotropes, including white phosphorus, red phosphorus, and black phosphorus. Each allotrope has distinct physical and chemical properties. White phosphorus glow. White phosphorus exhibits bioluminescence in the dark, appearing to glow faintly. This property is due to the slow oxidation of phosphorus vapor. Flame test color. When white phosphorus is burned, it produces a bright green flame. This characteristic green color is used in the identification of phosphorus in flame tests. Phosphorus cycle. The phosphorus cycle is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the movement of phosphorus through the Earth's lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. It is an essential component of nutrient cycles. Phosphorescence in the ocean. Some marine organisms, such as certain species of jellyfish and algae, exhibit phosphorescence, producing a glow in dark waters. This phenomenon is related to the presence of compounds containing phosphorus. Phosphorus fertilizers. Phosphorus is a crucial component of fertilizers. It promotes plant growth and development, particularly in the early stages of a plant's life cycle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.